This is the website that we will be working on. As you can see, this is a very standard looking website with images and good styling and background images and everything, and page content is also very much like a real site. Okay, and current page rank will be using Google's page speed tool. So let's just check out what is the result before we improve our website. As you can see, the score is 63, which is much below the expected range for good website, which is 90 to 100, and for desktop it is 79, still very much below. It should be at least 90 or above. Okay, so just go to So the first thing we are going to do is add a cache plugin. Cache is basically the static representation of your site, and it will keep the static pages generated while serving a particular request, and it will serve the same static pages next time someone visits the same URL. Okay, so first thing we are going to do is add new plugin. And for cache plugins, my personal recommendation is WP Fastest Cache. I've used many others, but over the time I have found that WP Fastest Cache works mostly way better than other plugins. So it is installing. Okay, it's installed. So once it is installed, we'll be going into the settings. Let me go into the installed plugins. Okay, I need to activate it. Okay, so once I've activated, we'll be saying this entry in your dashboard menu. Let's go to this menu. So let's enable it, and I would recommend checking almost all the checkboxes, as these are the various methods to improve your page speed. Okay, now we can keep, if your site theme is already responsive, that means it is already taking care of responsiveness of website. That means the same styling will show the website pretty much readable on smaller devices, and same styling will be showing site usable and presentable in larger devices. That means it's a responsive website. So if your website theme is responsive, you do not have to check this one. Otherwise this one will create separate caches for mobile devices and desktop devices. Okay, cache when pages go. Okay, minify HTML, minify CSS, combine CSS, combine JavaScript, gzip, browser caching. Obviously this is up to your choice whether you want to disable emojis or not. I would recommend, if you have this kind of content on your website that you want to show emojis in your posts and comments, then let it be unchecked, or you can check it if your content is pretty much standard. Okay, then submit. If you want to exclude particular pages that are never want to be cached, then you can add to the exclude list also. Okay, so well, that's being done. We'll just visit our website once. And we'll also make sure that we are visiting it in incognito mode. That means we are making sure that at least this page is cached. Okay, once cache is added, as we remember, the mobile score is 63 and desktop score is 79. We will again analyze it. Okay, as you can see, there is already a lot of improvement. The mobile score has jumped from 63 to 85 and desktop score is already 96. So that is a great improvement already, we can see, right? Yeah. So next thing that I would suggest is add this particular plugin. Smush, I guess. Yes, the Smush plugin. What it does is, obviously you will be using images in your website for posts or pages. So what it does is, whenever you upload an image, the image is automatically converted into best format and best compression for web, so that you are not wasting your bandwidth in serving larger size images than you need to. Okay, so just activate this plugin. Okay, so once the plugin is activated, we'll go to settings again and just click next. Automatically optimize new uploads, obviously yes, not obvious but yes. Strip images of metadata, yes. Metadata is basically the location, time, data, location related data. Basically you do not need it for your web pages. Finish setup. So now it will check all the images that are already present. Okay, bulk smush now. Okay, we'll be smushing all the existing images now. As you can see, there is a real-time update here that how many images are already compressed or processed and how much data is being saved. That's a great insight. Total 87 images are being processed right now. Out of that, 15 images are already processed. As you can see, my bulk smush is stopped in between when it processed 50 images. As in free version, it is allowing only 50 images at a time for smushing. So we'll just resume it again. Also, as you can see, the number here and here is not matching. It is because this number is actual images that are being processed, because a single image uploaded has multiple variations of it, that like thumbnail and 150 by 150, 200 by 200. So it is optimizing all the images, and that is why this count is larger than this count. This is just total images uploaded, and these are the actual image including all the variations of particular image. As you can see, all the images are compressed now. We will again go and check our page speed. So as you can see, it is 85 for mobile and for desktop it is 96. So we will again click on analyze. Okay, the score is same for mobile, but for desktop it is still improved from 96 to 98, which is almost the best possible thing. Okay, it is saying that we should use this. I'll just go in Smush and try taking advantage of lazy load. Let's see if it is having that feature or not. Yep, it is allowing us to activate. We'll just activate it. Just keep all the default settings as it is and save it. Okay, and again, just for the sake of safety, delete all the cache, just to make sure that we are not reanalyzing the cached old versions of the pages. Okay, so cache is deleted now. Just to make sure site is loaded on incognito mode, and again let's try and check. Great, see, even for mobile now it is showing 93, and for desktop it is 100. So we have reached our goal. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and as you know, if you want additional resources or these websites for free, you can always go to AppNexus Devs. There are these sites available ready to download under free resources. Yep. These are the sites already ready for downloading. Thank you.